In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ExpressVPN to another device. If you have an active ExpressVPN subscription, you can connect multiple devices at the same time, which makes it easy to protect your computer, phone, tablet, or TV without needing a separate account for each one. The setup is usually very quick, but the way you sign in depends on the kind of device you're using. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to get the credentials you need first, and then how to connect a desktop, a mobile device, or a smart TV or streaming stick. Start by opening a web browser and going to expressvpn.com/sign in. Log into your account, and if you're asked for a 6-digit verification code, enter the one sent to your email. Once the dashboard opens, look for the section called Set up your devices. In that area, find the activation code and click the copy icon to save it to your clipboard. It's a good idea to keep this browser tab open because you'll use it again in the next steps. If you're setting up a desktop or laptop, stay on the dashboard and choose the tab for your operating system, whether that's Windows, Mac, or Linux. Click Download to get the installer for that device. After the file finishes downloading, open it and follow the on-screen installation prompts. Once the app is installed, launch ExpressVPN and choose Sign In with Activation Code. Paste in the code you copied earlier, then click Continue to authorize the device. If you're connecting a phone or tablet, open the App Store or Google Play Store on that device and download the official ExpressVPN app. Open the app and tap Sign In. Then go back to the ExpressVPN dashboard on your computer, select Set up other devices, and choose Phone or Tablet. A QR code will appear on the screen. Point your phone or tablet camera at that code, and the app should automatically pick up the login information and sign you in without manually typing anything. If you're connecting a smart TV or streaming stick, turn on the device and open its app store. Download the official ExpressVPN app, then launch it. You'll see an 8-digit link code on the screen. On a phone or laptop, open a browser and go to expressvpn.com/link, then sign in. Enter the link code shown on your TV and submit it. After that, the TV app should refresh and sign in automatically. Once the device is connected, open the ExpressVPN app, choose a server location, and press the main power button. Wait a few seconds until the connection shows as active, then open a private or incognito browser window on that same device and visit expressvpn.com/whatismyip. Check that the IP address and location shown match the server you selected. If they do, your connection is working properly and your new device is ready to use.